Let's learn fun and easy facts about the ocean animals. Dolphin. Dolphins are very smart ocean animals that love to play and jump out of the water. They use special sounds called echolocation to find food and talk to each other. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and can squeeze into tiny spaces. They can change their color to hide from enemies or surprise their prey. Crab. Crabs have hard shells and strong claws to protect themselves and find food. They often walk sideways and can live both in the ocean and on land. Clownfish. Clownfish live safely among sea anemones, which protect them with their stinging tentacles. They are bright orange with white stripes, making them easy to spot in coral reefs. Whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth and live in the deep ocean. They breathe air through a blowhole and communicate using beautiful songs. Eel. Eels have long, snake-like bodies that help them swim smoothly through water and hide in rocks. Some eels can produce electric shocks to protect themselves and catch prey. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have strong shells that protect them as they swim long distances in the ocean. They can live for many years and always return to the same beach to lay their eggs. Shark. Sharks have sharp teeth and an excellent sense of smell to find food. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can puff up their bodies like a balloon when they feel scared to protect themselves. Some pufferfish are very poisonous, so other animals stay away from them. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft, umbrella-shaped bodies and long tentacles. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark and sting to protect themselves. Or seahorse. Seahorses swim upright and use their curled tails to hold onto plants. The male seahorse carries the babies in a special pouch until they are ready to swim. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more videos.